This video will show you how to get access to avalanche information for New Zealand. Avalanche advisories are assessed daily at avalanche.net.nz. To get the avalanche advisory for your region, select the tile from the left-hand side of the page. This will take you through to the full forecast page. This page contains all the information you need to know. At the top, you'll find a key message from the forecaster, along with the day the forecast was issued and the date it will expire. Below is an overview of the essential information, which shows the avalanche danger at the 3 elevation bands. The danger rating comes from the New Zealand Danger Scale. Take care to read and understand the risk management advice for each danger level. As you scroll down, you'll get a more in-depth look at the avalanche danger. Here, images will show you both the avalanche character along with the aspect and elevation you are most likely to encounter them. Make sure you read the description, as this will give you the most accurate detail on the current avalanche conditions. The likelihood and size, along with the trend and time of day you can expect these avalanches, are shown here. Secondary and tertiary avalanche dangers can also be present below. Finally, below this is more in-depth information about recent avalanche activity, current snowpack conditions, forecasted mountain weather, and sliding danger. Remember, if you're out in the backcountry, make sure to log any snowpack or avalanche observations in the public observation network. Getting the forecast is only one part of being safe in avalanche terrain. You need to make sure you have the training, equipment, and forecast to truly stay safe in avalanche terrain.